Good morning, it's Dr. Toker, and you know what? It is winter outside, and that does not stop my husband from this one habit that he has, which is at the end of his day, when he comes, he's an anesthesiologist. It's a very stressful job. A lot of you guys don't remember your anesthesiologist, but they're the ones keeping you alive while someone like me assaults you with a deadly weapon. It's a stressful job. He comes home from the end of his day, he's exhausted, he's under stress. And the first thing he does, no matter what the weather is like, is he goes and sits in our pool. He'll strip down to his underwear and crawl. If the children are not home, he'll skinny dip. But anyway, and then he'll sit in this pool, no matter how cold it is. We had days in the wintertime where there's like ice floating in the pool. The dude is in there. And I keep telling him, baby, first of all, we do not have a defibrillator at our house. And you're not dead until you're warm and dead. So like, okay, if you have a sudden cardiac arrhythmia, I'm going to have to drag your ass out of this pool, get you inside, warm you up, and then try to resuscitate you. Are you kidding? I got psoriatic arthritis. I'm weak as a kitten. The me 5 years ago could have done it. The me now, not so much. I mean, and I love my husband. So I do put a little timer on the thingy, and if he doesn't come inside within, a certain amount of time, I do go looking and praying that, he has not had an arrhythmia in the pool. Now, he gets out of the pool, and it's freezing cold. He's always asked me to do it, and I will put one toe in. Hell no. Can't do it. I'm a Southerner. I can't do it. Cannot do it. And I can't. And so, but he comes out and he goes, gives me an energy. I've got a good attitude when I get out of there. It's awesome. People with bad joints swear by it. They do cryotherapy. They have stores like you can go in and kind of like get boxed up to here like a freezy pop. Yeah, when I played tennis in college, I sat in one of those ice tub things, and I only did it because there was a really cute baseball player that was also injured, truth be told. And it was sort of like, well, okay, I'm going to hang out with some hot guys. I mean, I might as well just float in the ice cube. It was the most miserable time of my life. Did not enjoy it at all. So, you know what? Cold immersion. It's a rage, but I think it's a rage with a purpose. There is lots of science on this particular topic. It absolutely can help you. I am a wuss, so I've decided to do sort of a mini version where I could just take like a non-hot shower. When I take a shower, it's hot. Like I could steam veggies in my shower. I like it hot. I'm from Louisiana. It's the hotness. I like the hotness. But we're just going to use room temperature water at first as my cold immersion until I unwussify. I was a competitive swimmer as a child, and I think that's what ruined me. I hated it. Training water is so fucking cold. You can't breathe. The first 2 laps, you cannot breathe. Much less just sit there and like chill and not do anything. I can't do it. But maybe a room temperature shower. A room temperature shower. Just like a lukewarm shower. I'm going to start doing that. My arthritis really is killing me, and Steven is begging me to do it. But if you have challenges, consider the cold immersion. And I don't know any companies that sell the cold immersion stuff. If you're a company that sells the cold immersion stuff, contact me. I mean, I'm happy to learn about it because believe me, I got somebody who does our own God-given cold immersion. But anyway. All right, cold immersion. Give it a try.